Optimal sexual performance and vitality are influenced by various factors, including overall health, lifestyle choices, and blood flow. Good blood flow is essential for proper functioning of sexual organs and overall sexual health. Here are some tips to help boost blood flow and unlock vitality for optimal sexual performance. 1. Maintain a healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can support cardiovascular health and improve blood flow. 1. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries and dark leafy greens, may also help improve blood circulation. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water is important for overall circulation and maintaining healthy blood flow. 3. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity improves cardiovascular health and promotes healthy blood flow. 3. Aerobic exercises like walking, jogging, swimming, and cycling can be particularly effective. 4. Cardiovascular health. Manage your blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and blood sugar through a combination of healthy eating, exercise, and, if necessary, medication. 4. Good cardiovascular health supports optimal blood flow. 5. Reduce stress. Chronic stress can negatively impact blood flow and sexual performance. 5. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or mindfulness to manage stress. 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight can strain the cardiovascular system and impact blood flow. 6. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight can positively affect sexual performance. 7. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can impair blood circulation and overall health, affecting sexual function. 8. Get adequate sleep. Poor sleep can contribute to reduced blood flow and affect hormone levels that impact sexual performance. 8. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. 9. Consider supplements. Some supplements, such as L-arginine, ginseng, and ginkgo biloba, are thought to have potential benefits for improving blood flow and sexual function. 9. Consult a healthcare professional before adding supplements to your routine. 10. Practice Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises, which involve contracting and relaxing the pelvic floor muscles, can improve blood flow to the genital area and support sexual function. 11. Open communication. Healthy communication with your partner about desires, preferences, and any concerns can contribute to a positive sexual experience and alleviate stress. 12. Moderate caffeine intake. Caffeine in moderation can have a mild vasodilating effect and potentially improve blood flow. 12. However, excessive caffeine consumption can lead to negative health effects. Remember that individual responses may vary, and there's no one-size-fits-all solution. If you are experiencing persistent sexual health concerns, it's important to consult a healthcare professional, such as a urologist or a sexual health specialist. They can provide personalized guidance and recommend appropriate strategies to address your specific needs.